to download an external tool called Measure Killer. You can simply search on Google that Measure Killer Power BI, or I will share the link in the description, and you will have to open this page. And once you open this page, you have to download this. So on the right side in the between of the screen, you can see this option of free download. So you have to click on it, and this is the particular tool. So to download this, you have to click on this and it will scroll down, and then you will have to simply click on this Measure Killer Admin, and this will started downloading the file. So you can see on the screen the Measure Killer setup has been downloaded. So once this will download, you have to open that file and it will get installed, and there are some details related to this. So you can read this documentation. Here you can find that what are the report modes which this tool support, then what are the features which are supported, what are the visuals which are supported. So these are the details which you can check out. So we'll directly move toward it. So you can see that setup file is downloaded. You can simply double click on it and open it, and then it will get installed. So now let's directly move toward our Power BI report. So here I have a demo report in which I have created some visual slices, and my data set contain various tables. So in this report I have the data set connected to it, and I have various tables as you can see on the screen. So these are various tables which I have in my report, and I also have the measure table in which I have stored all the measures created. So many times it happens that for trial purpose or testing purpose we create some measures which we forget to delete at that time, and when the report is completed then they become unused measures and take space. So what we have to do is we have to delete it, but we don't know which measure has been used in our report and which is not. So you can see I have created test measure, trial measure, so I don't know if this is used somewhere or not. So to detect that, what I have to do, we have installed the Measure Killer external tool. So this will come up in the external tool section, and you have to simply click on it, and this will open a new window. It will take few seconds to open that tool. So yeah, now this window will open, and this will ask you to select the option with which you want to move ahead. So right now we have a single report and dataset. So we will click on it, and then it will detect the name of your report. Whichever report is open and with which you want to work, you can select that, and then you have to simply click on the next button. And after you click on the next, this new window will open, and then you have to click on the top left of the screen, you have to click on this run button, and this will start analyzing your report, your semantic model, and within few seconds this will provide you the output. And here you can also see the execution log. It will show you all the steps performed by you. So now we got the result. So some column names or some measures name are not highlighted, that means they are used. You can also see in the status column we have the green symbol which is showing that these are used. Now we next we have some columns or measures which are highlighted in red, so these are not used in our report. And you can also check the size which they are taking. So there are so many columns which are not used in our report, so we can simply remove them. And there are some other columns or measures too which are highlighted in yellow, so you can check in the description that this is used by unused. So we have some unused columns or measures, and there might be some use cases in which these are referring into those. So let's say I want to delete some measures which are unused in our report. So what I can do is I can simply go to this kill measures and calculated column options. So we'll click on it, and here I will get the list of all the calculated columns as well as measures which are not used in our report. So if you want to delete all at once, then you can simply click on this kill button by selecting all of them. But let's say if you want to delete any particular single measure, so you can select that. Now let's say I want to remove this trial measure, so I will select that and click on the kill button. Now again a new window will pop up and this will show you that this measures has been removed. So now we will check in our report that this exists or not. So now if we search for trial, then we can see that trial has been removed. Trial 2 is available, but trial has been removed. So in this way you can remove the unused measures from your report. Now let's say you want to remove all the measures at once. So what you can do is you can simply click on this select all button and then simply click on this kill. Now all the unused measures will get removed at once. So on the bottom left you can see that there are 17 items and you can see the progress of your execution. And yeah, all the unused measures as well as calculated columns have been removed from your data set. So we can go in our report and it will refresh and you can see that all the unused measures have been removed from your report. So this is all about measure killer and how you can remove the measures from your report. Next, in the next video we will see how you can remove the unused columns from your report. So do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for update. Thank you.